Hi everyone, Michelle here from StrawBearie Designs, and today is January 2nd, 2019, and I have a special Bible journaling entry to show you for the new year. So the first thing I did is I went on the dayspring.com website, not sponsored, and they had a generator where you could figure out what your word for the year is. And I've picked words in the past and forgotten what they were, a month or two into it. So I decided this time I was going to pick my word and Bible journal it. And so the word that the generator picked for me was delight. And I really liked that word, delight. And so I just did a very quick and simple journaling of the word delight for 2019. Did some faux calligraphy for the word delight and added some polka dots using the eraser side of some pencils and some acrylic paints, and then just added a cute little paper clip. So very, very simple Bible journaling today, and added that to my Bible. I found a couple of different scriptures to go with it. So this one that I journaled the page on is Psalms 37:4. Take delight in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. And I also found one in 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verse 10. And that one says, "That is why, for Christ's sake, I delight in weakness, in insults, in hardships, in persecutions, in difficulties. For when I am weak, then I am strong." And I thought the word delight meant, for me, it's the fact that I need to delight in the things that God has given me, the season of life that I'm in, to be happy with it and to take joy in the things that are going on in my life. I thought the word delight also meant to try to delight myself more in the Lord, and that's my goal, is to delight more in Him this year. And then the other meaning is that He delights in me, and that is just so, delight seems like just such a wonderful word, and to know that God delights in me is just awesome and special and wonderful. I hope that you enjoyed this 2019 beginning of the year Bible journaling video. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos from me this year, as part of my goals are to delight in my channel and have my channel grow. Please like this video, share it, and tell all your friends. Until next time, have a great day crafting away.